Hello everyone, welcome to Airbro's Review SA. Today I'm going to take you through the steps on how to install the side shot magazine plus its base plate to your FX Impact. See you in a bit. So this is my FX Impact. I already removed the magazine. So what we're going to do next, we're going to remove the bottle. Here the air bleeding off. It's good. Next thing you will have a look is there's no air pressure in your gun. But here comes the trick. There is still air in your gun on your regulator side. So the way you need to bleed out this air, the safest way is, like I said before, remove your magazine, cock your gun, fire in a safe direction, and you hear that? That is bleeding your system. No more dangerous air that's going to be in your gun while you're working on it. From there onwards, let's just remove the spark pod. Actual fact, this spark pod is really amazing. Love it. Alright. So then what you'll do then is get yourself an Allen key, or you can get yourself an Allen key set if you don't have a normal Allen key. I don't know what size it is. Doesn't say anything. But anyway, you can get yourself a wrench. You can put your gun upside down. Get your wrench to fit over your manometer. See guys, wrong manometer. Bastard. Bastard, bastard, bastard. Okay. Now when installing these, make sure you don't lose any of the springs. If you can go have a look there, if you can focus in there, you can see it. It's got the lock and then the lever. So, slide it into place. Fit snug. Make sure it's lining up with all the holes. Then the two longer ones will go on the end here by your lever that is supplied with your base plate. You're then going to install them . Slide down. Just make sure the others are tight. Snap down. Good job. Okay, after that's done, install your manometer. Once you install your manometer, do not over tighten this gauge too much, as you will break that washer on the inside and it will cause your gauge not to get a reading. So just snug fit, you'll feel it there, done and dusted. Okay, that's how you install it. From there, you're going to install your bottle back onto your gun to see if there's any leaks and see if your gauge is working. Let's go for it. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Pressure is in the front here, pressure is in the back, 100% where it was, and that's how you install the base plate. After you installed all your parts, now you want to have a look if your magazine will fit, but it will fit obviously. So then cock your rifle. What I've noticed is on the side shot magazine, it doesn't have a straight lining up port. It's got a little notch there. So if you want to install it, you'll have to go from the bottom, like at an angle, and push it in until you hear that click, and you know it's in. Same way to remove it, you push in that little lever, show you there, it's that little lever right there. So you'll just push it towards the magazine and remove it. Now another question people have been asking is, will the standard magazine still work with a side shot base plate? It will. It will work as normal as you would do it. There we go. And you can use your normal mag as well with the same base plate. So I will show you in due course how to load this side shot magazine, which is pretty simple. These things are really good to have if you have an FX impact. Anyway guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Air Bros Review SA, and have a good one. See you later.